Alright guys, y'all see from the title of the video, we're getting a new upgrade and it's gonna be the Plenum Spacer. Finally. I wasn't gonna get this this mod for the car, but someone said I should.
Yes sir.
He said I should get it, especially for what we're doing with the car. So we'll go ahead and throw that in real quick. It's gonna take this is like a freaking 10-minute thing right here. Yeah. This thing should. What? This thing gonna be so easy. We got so much stuff going on today. So I'm going ahead and show you guys the one that I got. So it's the Plenum Spacer. Got it from Blocks, Building Blocks for Your Ride. Blocks Racing sent me the Plenum Spacer. It's a 1/2 inch thick. Got everything I need. Got the bolts right there. Go ahead and snatch this out real quick. Get this thing ready to be put on. I was really saying that I wasn't going to do this, but we're doing it anyway now. Check out the tag. Look at that. Alright. Let me take this one off real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna hop on the GoPro. This ain't working for me right here. Alright, so my phone's not working. It's not letting me connect to my GoPro, so we finna fucking wing it with what we got, y'all. I know where else to put y'all at. Get where they're gonna be. No. Sit still, clean as fuck, fool. Alright, got it all cleaned up in here, as y'all saw. Intake was already super freaking clean though. That's crazy how clean it still is. Alright, go ahead and throw the new stuff on real quick. Alright, spacer's back in there. We got the bolts in. I'm gonna tighten our bolts down real quick. And shit, that's it. It's pretty easy. If you know how to do this, you know it's super easy. Let me tie my bolts down real quick though. Alright, Plenum Spacer's done. Everything's tight. And we got a new intake on that pipe. Just kidding. Chad let me borrow his for now until mine get done being made. This one's actually aluminum. And I was pulling it off and it ripped, so no sense in putting that back on. It's going to leak air and it's going to cause a problem. But yeah, got that thing on now. Everything looks crisp and clean. Now it's time to go ahead and give it our first startup and probably carry it around the block and see what it does. That's from all that it started like that because of all of that the stuff I sprayed in the intake. Looks like she's running good. I don't even want to touch the gas because that thing louder than loud. Let's go test this pedal spacer out. Gotta keep it quiet in the neighborhood. And I'm using my actual camera right now, so the I noticed that the microphone on this camera is way better than the my GoPro camera, so we should be able to get a really good sound comparison on it. Hopefully it spins up the tires like never before. It's already spinning them up. Still didn't get to put tires on it today, but I wanted to go put tires on it. It's cool. I'm actually gonna wait until I get. What the fuck? You hear that pop? Let's get full. Damn. I'm enjoying this thing a lot. Damn, I want this car to be manual so bad. So bad. Make my neighbors hate me a little bit. So we just made it to the crib. Finally. It's dark out here so y'all can't see. We here though. We got the G to the crib. Got the dimmer sitting up here, looking clean and shiny, like black glass. Y'all know how we rock. Y'all go follow me real quick. Follow me over there. Sub to the channel if y'all haven't already. I know it's dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it in. Appreciate y'all for watching. Did the pedal spacer today. We actually did a lot of stuff today, but I only showed you guys a pedal spacer in this video. We actually did a couple more things today. Appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, I'll see y'all on the next one.